There's Scout and Mommy. Here's our new tree. I don't know if we've got the tree on video yet. That's the tree. A new one. Weeping Atlas Cedar, I think it's called. And then we've got, whoa, almost fell down. We've got some rocks laid out. I dug the hole. So we're all set with that. The liner's in for that. That's the falls. We got some rocks laid out. Put some extra soil. Here comes Dan. What's up, buddy? Yes, you are. You gonna go water that guy for me? Go water that guy for me, and so that's the progress so far. The falls, the tree is new, and a bunch of those rocks up there are new. So it's coming along. We got this hole dug. This hole is like 28 inches deep all the way. It's 11 feet from that end to this end. It's full of those blue baskets or crates. That's in the hole. You can see how deep it is. And that's that. I take a step back.
What is that smell? It smells like fish.
And there it is. Soon my tree is going to be in bloom. This tree will be blooming. Not yet. Go water that guy, Dan. Okay. And that's that.
What?
I said, and that's that. Scout, yeah, I saw Scout.